The law of vibration is the key to unlocking the true potential of the law of attraction. Make sure you watch this video until the very end to understand this concept. Also, make sure to subscribe as we upload new videos daily. Of all the universal laws, the law of attraction is both the most fascinating and the most misunderstood. Fascinating, because as humans we naturally want a tool to help create the life of our dreams, and the law of attraction can certainly help us to do that. Misunderstood because, unlike a tool that we can pull out and use now and again but is otherwise inactive, the law of attraction is operating in our lives constantly and independently, whether we are consciously aware of it, or believe in it, or not. In other words, there is no need to engage the law of attraction, it is already at work in your life and always will be. So long as you are alive and breathing, the law of attraction is at work. This is great news. You are already using the law of attraction to create everything in your life whether you realize it or not. The results that you are experiencing, your career, finances, relationships, health, home, community, and so on, are a direct result of the law of attraction and your interaction with it in the form of thoughts and feelings. If you're not creating the kind of life you want though, chances are you are creating by default, allowing the law of attraction to bring you more and more of the same. Unfortunately, we weren't handed a life manual at birth and, for many of us, our parents were not aware of the law of attraction and so did not teach us. Here at Rewire Reality we are dedicated to helping you understand this powerful universal law and how you can begin to use the law of attraction to consciously create the life of your dreams. Here at Rewire Reality we also explore everything to do with the law of attraction and provide tools that will help you to harness its power. But in order to really understand the law of attraction, you first need to understand another of the universal laws, the law of vibration. The law of vibration. According to the law of vibration, everything is made of energy and has a distinct frequency or vibration. With the advent of powerful enough technology, science now agrees. Quantum physicists have shown that, although matter may appear to be solid, when you look at it through a high-powered microscope so that it is broken down into its smallest components, molecules, atoms, neutrons, electrons and quanta, the smallest particles measurable, it is ultimately mostly empty space interspersed with energy. In other words, at the quantum level, everything is comprised of energy and empty space, and what makes you, your home, your car, the chair you're sitting in, seem solid is the frequency of the vibration of the energy that makes it up. Not only does your body and all that you consider to be you have a distinct and unique vibration, or more correctly a mix of vibrations, but your creations, in the form of thoughts, also have distinct vibrations which affect or blend with your overall vibration. In turn, your vibrations affect everything around you, your environment, the people and animals around you, the inanimate objects, even the seemingly empty space, and they, in turn, affect you. That's why, when you walk into a room where there was an earlier argument, you can sense it. We even use terms like bad vibes, you can feel the tension, and you could cut the air in here with a knife to describe it. In each case what we are referring to is the energy imprint of the earlier occupants. Similarly, you may have gone to someone's home, office or business where, as soon as you entered, you felt the good vibes that filled the place. That's because, over time, a place becomes imbued with the energy imprints of the dominant vibrations of the people who live or work there. So a home, for example, can literally become filled with love or tension or anger or sadness or any other emotion, and that home will feel that way to a visitor even if none of the regular occupants are at home at the time. If you've ever entered such a place, you may even have noticed how you just relaxed and felt good in response to the good vibes around you. Of course, the extent to which you take on the vibrations of the people and things around you is up to you, but for most people, this is not a conscious decision. So, you are giving off vibrations every second of every day. You are also simultaneously receiving and translating the vibrations of everything and everyone around you. If we use the analogy of television, you are both a television transmitter, beaming out your own unique station, and also a television set or receiver, able to tune in to all the stations or frequencies being broadcast around you. Sometimes we refer to these incoming vibrations as intuition or gut feelings. So how do you know what your vibration is at any moment? Simple, ask yourself how you are feeling. Your emotions are a quick and handy guide to your vibration in any moment. If you feel loving, you are vibrating at the frequency of love. If you feel angry, you are vibrating at the frequency of anger. If you feel curious, you are vibrating at the frequency of curiosity, and those vibrations are received by everything and everyone around you. You are also, through the law of attraction, bringing to you more experiences that will match this vibration. So when you feel angry, the law of attraction will bring to you more experiences that will elicit the feeling of anger. You will attract angry people and find yourself in the middle of angry situations. Have you ever had a day where you felt lousy, but tried to pretend that everything was okay to family, friends or coworkers? It doesn't work, does it? Your friends, family or coworkers know straight away that you are not how you are pretending to be. They may ask if something is wrong, or comment that you don't seem to be your normal self. They pick up on the incongruence between what you are saying and your vibration. Because we are not used to explaining in terms of vibrations, they may attribute their knowing to something more mundane like tone of voice or body language, but even people without the full use of their senses can detect this type of incongruence. To sum up, you are sending out vibrations every moment of every day. Those vibrations are a mix of your thoughts and feelings, and they affect everything around you. At the same time, you are also receiving and translating the vibrations of everything around you, which can, in turn, affect your vibration by how you react to them. Now that we understand vibration, let's look at how it interacts with the law of attraction. The law of attraction. The law of attraction, simply put, means energy attracts like energy. You may also have heard it expressed as, like attracts like, that which is like unto itself is drawn, and even thoughts become things. The law of attraction is at work in your life every minute of every day. Your vibrations are constantly being broadcast to, and received, by the universe. This activates the law of attraction, which then matches your vibrations and attracts to you similar vibrations in the form of people, things and situations in your life. In other words, you are always creating your life through your thoughts and feelings. The conditions in your life, whether they are what you want or not, are always a match to your dominant vibrations. The law of attraction, like all the universal laws, operates whether you are aware of it or not, or believe it or not. The often used terms, what you focus on grows, careful what you wish for, cause you just might get it, birds of a feather flock together, and you can't get enough of what you don't want, are all examples of ways that we describe the law of attraction in action. So, the question becomes, if your life is not how you would wish it to be, how do you change it? And the answer most often given by law of attraction and personal development teachers is a simple one: change your thoughts. Simple, yes, but not easy. Here's why. Somewhere between 94 to 98% of all thoughts are subconscious, that is, below or out of conscious awareness, which means that only 2 to 6% of your thoughts are ever conscious. So, even if you manage to change all of your conscious thoughts to be positive, that still leaves an awful lot of subconscious thought, at least some of which would be negative, vibrating away in the background without you even being aware of it. If you're having trouble creating what you want in life, chances are your subconscious mind is at fault. If you've made it this far and you believe in the true powers of the law of attraction, then please leave a like. Also, please subscribe as we upload new videos daily. Thank you.